What's up? Back here day 2 in southern Utah. Just fishing right next to the campground. We've been pretty lazy today, just kind of hung out, shot a little bit, but we're out at a creek and we'll see how it goes. Doesn't look, I've seen a couple fish, nothing really big, but hopefully we'll get something. Anything will be good, to be honest. Hope you enjoy it. Oh my, all right. I don't know if you can hear me, but it's absolutely beautiful. I just lost one of my feet. Man, this is pretty rough walking, but hopefully I can pull some out. This is beautiful. Should be a good time. Oh, I missed it right at my feet. There we go. Oh my goodness. Dude, I am losing so many fish. Finally. There we go. Another one. That's number 3. He didn't actually pop off at my hands though. Jeez. Little dink rainbows, but God, they're pretty. There's a fish in absolutely every hole up here. Every hole. Like insane. Woo! There is my for sure second one. Another absolutely tiny rainbow. Beautiful fish though, dude. So sexy. Oh, bigger fish. There we go. And now an actually okay size fish. That's so dope. There we are. That's number 3 in my hands. Number 5 I lost on the flip, if we're counting those. But man, it is so freaking cool up here, man. So beautiful. Oh, I missed it at my feet. All right, let's move up. Oh, number 6, and he's off. Oh, nice. I don't know how he held on to it, but that is a tiny fish. Oh, Jesus. so I just got out of the water. I had probably 4 fish in hand, like 9 pop on the flip. It's freaking awesome, but it was rough, man. It's basically rock climbing up the waterfalls. Such a blast. Nothing really. I had 1 fish that was probably like 14 inches. Other than that, all small stuff. Had to cut it short because I freaking broke a chancla. So now I don't know what shoes I'm wearing the rest of this trip, but freaking amazing session. Now we're gonna head back, make some dinner, sit around the campfire, maybe do some s'mores. We will see.